Step-by-step troubleshooting for noise issue in split AC indoor unit. Change in compressor frequency with an increase in heat load. Different sounds indicate different issues. Rattling, loose screws or dirt inside the unit. Buzzing, electrical issues or loose parts. Squealing or screeching. Worn out motor bearings. Hissing, possible refrigerant leak. Clicking, relay or control board malfunction. Turn off and unplug the AC. Always start by switching off the unit and unplugging it to ensure safety during inspection. Check a visual inspection. Check for loose panels. Look for dirt inside the blower fan. Check by selecting the different temperature through remote whether compressor noise is changing or not. Clean the air filters. Dirty filters restrict airflow and cause whistling or hissing sounds. Remove and clean filters with mild soap and water. Let them dry completely before reinstalling. Check for refrigerant leaks. A hissing sound may indicate a gas leakage. Reassemble and test. After cleaning and tightening, plug the unit back in and run it. Observe if the sound persists or has reduced. Preventive maintenance tips. Clean filters every 2 to 4 weeks.